How to create a playlist on TikTok. Open the TikTok app. Go to your profile. Here, playlist option is not showing. Click on three lines at the top. Click on Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down. Click on Report Problem. Again, click on Report. Click on Chat with Us. Now, TikTok team made a help desk. Now, write your problem. They can reply you as soon as possible. They can give you reason of it. It is only available to creators who have 10,000 followers on TikTok. So when you have them, it will automatically update it. That's how you can add a playlist on TikTok. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.